Okay, dear students, in the last class we have finished exercise 4.3 indeterminates. Okay, now before going to 4.4 exercise, let us see some concepts in 4.4. We can say these are 4.4 concepts like, okay, what are those concepts? Those are minors and cofactors. Okay, these minors and cofactors already we know means we have done, but not like we called it as minors and cofactors. Okay, we found determinant means without minors and cofactors we cannot found the determinant. Okay, while finding determinants these are essentials, but we were not knowing these are minors and cofactors. Like now we will see what is minor and what is cofactor. Okay, see here, one determinant I have written. See, first let us understand 3 by 3 only. Then again we will go back to 2 by 2. Why? Because see, these three minors and cofactors are there for both 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. Okay. And let us understand first 3 by 3. Okay. See, 3 by 3 determinant I am writing. You see, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay. This is a determinant of 3 by 3. Okay, now you see here element A is having notation A11. Okay, and what about element E? E notation, E notation, second row, second column, say A22. What about F? Second row, third column, A23. What about G? Third row, first column, A31. Okay, these are the notations. You see, simply here, logic. See, if we are in matrices A, M by N, M into N means M by N, we show this representation. Okay, and for element A, Ij, you see, Ij, only Ij we write, I into J we don't write. That you have to keep in your mind. Okay, and rows we will show like this, R1 or R3. Columns we will show like this. Okay, these are all already fixed, these notations, alphabets. Okay, now for minors, what is the notation? Minor notation is M. Why? Because M we have not yet taken. Okay, you see how I am writing minor, comma M. See, now I have written elements A11, A22 like, but now I will write M11, minor M11. Okay, this we will see how to expand or how to find this minor M11. You see here M11 means, like earlier what we have done, we have closed this A row and A column. Is it okay? See, A is what here? M11, A11 only, A11. See, we can write, or else we can write like this. Minor of A11 is equal to M11, that is equal to. Why? Because see, minor of A11. See, what is that minor? Minor of element A. Here. Okay? Element A. M11 is equal to. What will be the, see, A you have to close on row or column wise. If you close this, automatically what is the determinant? Determinant will be like this. E, F, H, I. Okay? Like this you have to write. Then what will be the, can you leave like this only? No, we have to expand this. Or we have to find, not expansion, only simple one step of find. Okay, what is the answer? Answer is AB minus AD minus BC. EI minus HF. Okay, this will be answer. Okay, see, because alphabets are there. That is why this notation has come or expression has come. If these are real numbers, automatically one single number will come. Minor means one single number only. See, this have we done earlier? Yes, definitely have done. This is like 2 by 2 determinant. In 2 by 2 direct determinant this is. But in 3 by 3 it is we are writing like expression or something like this is also number only. See, okay, not expression, number only. Why? Because always we take real numbers only in determinant. You must have seen. Okay, some number will come, some value or something will come. This is a minor. Okay, now you see minor of I will write now. See, minor of h I will write. Minor of h. Minor of h, that is equal to A32. Is it okay? Why? Because third row, first, second, third row, second column. A32 is equal to. Okay. M32, that is equal to. Now you see, I am closing this. See, like earlier only, all we have done this. That is why I am telling this we have done, but we were not naming this. Okay, now what I am doing, you see, H I am closing, H row I am closing, H column also I am closing. See, H row and column, if I close, what are left? A, C, D, F. Write down. A, C, D, F. Okay? A, C, D, F. Then what is the value of this one? AF minus DC or CD. AF minus CD. AF minus CD. Now you understand what are the minors? Okay? Now, see, without naming this G, H, I, A, B, C or something A1 to A3, directly we can write. Write down all minors like if I tell, then M11, M12, M13, M21, M22, M23, M31, M232, M33. Like that we can write. All minors we can write. Okay. Now we know how to write minors and all. See, if they ask, write down all minors like, then we have to write like this. If they ask, write the minor of F, then what you have to write? Write the minor of F means minor is what here? Minor is second row, third column element. A23. That means A, M23 like you have to write here. M23 you have to write and F you have to write. You see like how I am writing. For F I am writing, you see, M23 is equal to, for F. See, F row and F column we are closing. Then A, B, G, H will be left. A, B, G, H will be left. That is equal to AH minus BG. AH minus BG. This will be the minor of F. M23. M23 means F. Here. Second row, third column. A, B, G, H. AH minus GB. BG or GB. Okay. This is minor. Okay. Minors, what are minors and all we understand now. Okay. Can we write directly this without writing this statement? See, that depends on your practice. Why? Because see, particularly if you ask to write minor, then you have to write this one. Then why? Because see, these are going to give marks. See, if it is an objective question, then answer will be this one, A, B, C, D. Then you need not write all these things. Directly you can write this one. Okay, in objective question. In objective question, but A, B, C, D, if they are showing like this, then you have to write this one. Okay, like this you have to understand. Let us go for okay, what we do. See, minor we have understand by generalized practice. Even see here numbers also you can write easily, but minor you understand. What we do, we go for cofactors. Okay, let us go for cofactors. Okay, I am writing now cofactor. See, in cofactor there is no This one cooperative means like this we will write, but not this one. Okay, cofactor, one single word only, there is no dash in between co and factor. Okay, now see this cofactor. What is this cofactor? Cofactor is simply nothing but, you see, if cofactor A12 means b, that is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 M12. What is M12? M12 is minor. What is A12? A12 here is not a matrix or determinant. Okay, if determinant, then it will be like this. Matrix means it will be like this, or else matrix will be like this. Okay, see, when it is Aij, then this is cofactor. You understand what are the differences? You see, this is determinant, you know very well. This is matrix. Directly if you write A, simply A, that is matrix. See, A suffix m by n, m into n or m by n, then this is also matrix only. But what about this Aij? Aij means cofactor. That you have to keep in your mind. Okay, notation. See, why rather than C? See, minor you have gone for M, then why you have gone for A rather than C? See, cofactor means C should come. C already column is there, C1, C2. Okay, so even C also, C1, C2, C3, like that will be there. But even then we have not given. C was column, we have given that number or representation letter. Then we have given Aij for cofactors. Okay, Aij means you have to keep in your mind that cofactors. Cofactor I am writing here Aij. Okay, ith row, jth column. Okay. Now you tell me how to write this. What is this notation? This is nothing like symbol only. Why? Because minus 1 whole power 1 means automatically what will come? Minus 1 will come. Minus 1 whole power 2 means 1 will come. Minus 1 whole power 3 means again minus 1 will come. Minus 1 whole power 4 means again positive 1 will come. That is my, this is used for changing the sign of the minor. Okay, that means cofactor is nothing but minor only, but with sign. Minor with sign is going to be called as cofactor. That's all. That means no additional thing we are doing with for cofactor. For cofactor, just to we already calculated the minor. Those minors we are again putting signs, plus sign or minus sign, plus sign or minus sign. That depends on the row and column. If it is first row, first column, you see what will happen here. I am writing, you see. See, A11 will be positive. Why? Because minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1. Minus 1 square means positive. Okay. A11 is equal to, how you write? A11 is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into M11. M11 already have found. Okay. You see, for M11, M12 and all, whatever the value comes, directly you have to write. If here minus is there, then minus only you have to write. That's all. What I do, see, for your easy understanding sake, 2, 3 minus I will keep here. Okay, I am keeping minus here, and minus here. Okay, and also minus here. Okay, these are minus or negative. So now we will calculate some cofactors. Then you can easily understand. Okay. Okay. Let us see what is that cofactor exactly. Cofactor means nothing but minor only. See, minor with sign or symbol is going to be called as cofactor. That symbol depends on the position of that element, row and column. Okay, row and column, if we add, if those comes even number, then positive sign is going to come. Okay, now you see, okay, I am finding 2 1. Okay, A21, A21. See, second row, first column is D. Okay, for D I am finding that is equal to minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1, okay, into M21. That is equal to minus 1 whole power 3. Okay, M21 is what? Okay, first I will write, see, the first to second and all, we will write all these procedures. Next, we will curtail this. Okay. Now, second row, first column, if I close automatically, B minus I minus P, C, H minus I will be there. Okay. Okay. Now, expand this. Why? Because you know, minus 1 cube means what? Minus 1 only. Minus 1 into, okay. Now you see minus into minus plus Bi minus Hc. That means you can write Hc minus Bi. Is it correct? First you see. Why I have written like this? Hc minus Bi. Because minus is there. Minus minus plus. That is why Hc is going to become positive. Bi is going to become negative. That is why I have reversed it. Okay. Or else you can leave like this only. Minus Bi Hc. Minus 1 into something means minus. That's all. Okay. Now you understand when negative comes inside, what will happen? One more or two more we will take cofactors. Okay. Let me see what we are taking. Okay. Let me take E. E I am taking. E means what? A22. Okay. A22 is equal to minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2 into M22. Okay. That is equal to minus 1 whole power 4. That means positive here. And M22 we will write. M22 means what? See, when for E22, then AC minus GI. Why? Because this row column will go AC. Okay, AC minus G minus I. Minus G minus I. Okay? Okay. That is equal to minus 1 whole power 4 means what? Positive only. Okay? That means positive will come. Okay. Then you see minus AI. Minus AI. Minus of minus GC plus GC. Is it okay? Actually, GC. AD minus BC how to write. But while writing minus, one minus is there means plus how to write. AD minus of minus BC means plus BC. But this AD also minus is there. You see, like this will come. Then how can write this one? You can write GC minus AI also. Why? Because GC is positive, AI is negative. Normally we write positive one first. That's all. Okay. One more we will take cofactor. Then we go for example. Why? Because this is a generalized form. Okay. One example also we will take. Okay. Shall I take? I will take A33. A33 is equal to A33 I am taking. Okay. A33 if I take automatically minus 1 whole power 3 plus 3. Why? Because Ij minus 1 whole power I plus j. Aij. Okay. Into M33. First of all, let me write M33. M33. That is equal to, see, minus 1 power 6, what will happen? Plus 1 only. That is why I am writing just plus. Okay. And M33, let us write M33. Okay. Third row, third column, if we close, A minus B, D, E. A minus B, D, E. That's all. Okay. Now you see, AE, this positive is there, that is why I am not writing again minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 whole power something. AE minus of minus BD plus BD. Now this will be your A33 cofactor. Cofactor is AE plus BD. Okay, see whatever we have done now until now, all with representations we have done. Okay, now we take numbers here. Numbers if we take, automatically concept is going to be cleared very much. Let us take these numbers. Okay, I am taking numbers, you see. Okay, now you see these numbers we have taken and let us find 3 cofactors. 1 minor, 2 minus, 2 cofactors we will find. two minors and two cofactors. First let me find minor. Minor for 0 I am going to find. Minor for 0 means first row third column. See, m 1 and 3 is equal to m13 means what? First row third column. First row third column, that means minor of 0. Okay, if 0 if you close automatically, what will happen? That is equal to -3145. -3145. Okay, next step we don't write this, directly we will write. You see what will happen? -15 -4. That means -19. Is it okay? First you see, first row third column m13 minor. I am not writing minor again. M13 means minor only. And if you close this, then -3145. -3145. Okay, this is correct. Now you see AD minus BC. AD means -15. Okay. Minus BC -4. -4. Okay. That means -15 -4 -19. One more we will find. Okay. Shall I find -3? -3 m minor. Second row first column. You see how I am writing? Second row first column m21 is equal to, see, 3 row column 3 row we are closing. That means 205 -3 will be there. 2 into -3 -6 -0. That means -6. Okay. Now you understand now how to find minors and all. You see now one number, single number is coming means you can understand the concept easily. Okay. See, while in minus we need not consider about the symbols that may come minus, that may come plus, or whatever it may be. Okay. Whatever it comes directly you are going to write that one. You are not going to change the symbol in minus. But when it comes to cofactors, then cofactor is simply to change the sign, whether you have to change or not. When you have to change both row and column number and row number together is going to become odd even number, then you are going to change the sign. You are going to keep the change same. If row number and column number are making odd number, then you are going to change the sign. Okay, like this it will be. Okay, let me find. See, for 5 I am finding, you see, cofactor, not minor. Now I am finding cofactor. Cofactor of 5 means third row second column. Third row, first, second, third row, second column. Okay, first, second column A32, that is equal to, you see here, -1 whole power 3 plus 2. Okay, -1 whole power 3 plus 2. Now you write minor. See, 5 row and column, if you close automatically, -1 0 -3 2 will be there. -1 0 -3 -2 will be there. Is it correct? Okay, now you have closed this one and this one, both -1 0 -3 -2. -1 0 -3 -2. Now you see, first of all, you see here what will come? -1 whole power 5 means minus will come. Then you put minus outside first. Let me see, if already minus comes means then we will make it as minus of minus plus. But first you keep minus. Then you see minus into minus plus, that means 2. 1 into 1, 1 into 2, -0. That means what will come? -2 will come. Now you understand now? Cofactor is -2. Okay. Now what we do? One more we will find. That too, this we will find 1 3. Or 2 1 we will find. A21. Cofactor of 2 1. A21 is equal to -1 whole power 2 plus 1 into M21. That is equal to -1 whole power 2 plus 1 means what? -1 cube means minus only. Minus of M21, how much it has come? -6 it has come. What will be minus of -6? That means +6. That's all. You see now, in cofactor it is -6, but when it has, in minor it is -6. When it is in cofactor, then it has become 6. Okay. Now you have understand what are minors, what are cofactors. Okay. See, one more concept is there. What is that concept? Sum of multiplication of elements and cofactors gives the determinant. Okay, I am writing that. You see, I am not writing definition. See, in simple way, simple of and why these definitions and all don't come for examination, but you have to understand the concept very clearly. In normal terms, I am telling. In normal terminology. Okay? I am writing what I am writing, you see. Simply observe. Okay? Okay. You see now what I am writing. Determinant is equal to sum of multiplication of elements and respective cofactors. First you understand this. This is a simple what we can say line or statement or whatever it may be. Equation. Delta determinant is equal to sum of multiplication of elements of respective cofactors. You see what I am writing here simply. You observe what to counter that statement what I am writing. You see delta is equal to multiplication of elements. We have to make sum. Multiplication of element is what? A11. This is a element. Respective cofactor is for A11. Respective cofactor is A11. Small a11, capital A11. Okay. Plus A12 plus A13 A13. Okay. Is it okay? Or else another one also you can write. You see delta is equal to, now I can take this also. A12 capital A12 plus A22 capital A22. Okay. 1 2 2 2 plus A32 capital A32. You understand now? You see here element number 1 means cofactor number 1 has to come. Element number 1 means cofactor number 1 has to come. Element number 13 means cofactor 13 has to come. Here also you see 1 2 2 2 3 2 3 2. Okay. But here first we have taken first row, next we have taken second column. You can take any row or any column. Now you go back for statement. You see sum of, you are making sum of multiplication of element and respective cofactor. Why I am writing respective cofactor? Respective cofactor means same cofactor you have to take. Okay. Shall we see one example? Why? Because see, this is the determinant. Already we were doing, but in this form also we can do. Okay. Now I am doing this first one. Okay. Delta is equal to. Let us write this one. You see, delta is equal to, see, first I am finding A11 we know, but capital A11 we will find. Capital A11 is equal to, that means cofactor 11. We can say cofactor 11 or cofactor A11 is equal to. You see, I am closing this and you see 11 means what will happen? -1 square. That means positive will come. Okay. Positive of, okay, see, -3. Okay. Minus of -10 plus 10. Is it okay? -3 minus 10. Minus of -10 is plus 10. Okay. Now what will happen? 10 minus 3 7. A11 is 7. Okay. Now you find A12 also. A12 is equal to. You see, A12 means, see here, 1 plus 2 3. Minus 1 power 3 means what? Minus will come. First you keep minus. Okay. Now what is the minor? You see A1 and 2. You are going to close first row and second column. Then -3 into -3, plus 9. Okay, 9 plus 8. Why? Because -8 you have to write, but minus of -8 plus 8. Okay, you see -17. Okay. Okay. Now what? One more A13. A13 also you take. A13 is equal to, you see 1 plus 3 4. That means plus only. Okay. Now 1 3 we have taken. And you see -15. Okay. -15 -4. minus 19. Okay. Now let us find delta. Let us find delta. Delta we are finding this. A11 into A11 is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 into A11. A11 is 7. Okay. Plus A12. A12 is 2 into what will be capital A12? Capital A12 is minus 17 plus 0. Why I am writing 0? Here it is 0. 0 into something is 0. Okay. 0 into minus 19. Okay. Let me see. Minus 7. Okay. And minus 34. That means how much it will come? Minus 41. Yes. Minus 41 will be your delta. Okay. Why? Because this is 0. Now what we do? Directly we will do. This is what we can say, minor and cofactor process. Okay. Directly we will find delta. How to find? You see, I am finding delta by this row, column. Okay. Or we will find by this one, 213. 2 into 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. Why? Because minus 8. This is minus minus plus and minus of minus 8 plus 8. Okay. Now 1. See, now here this is minus. That you have to keep in our mind. Here symbol is also matters, but here symbol is not matter. Inside symbol already we have taken in cofactor. Okay, that you keep in your mind. All plus plus only will come. But this symbol in cofactor itself taken care. Okay, but here you have to take care of this normal procedure. You have to take care of this symbol. Minus plus minus. Minus you have taken, then plus you have to take. Plus 1 into, okay, 3 minus 0. Then again minus 5 into C 2 minus 0. Oh, okay. Now you see 9 plus 8 17. 17 into 2 34. Minus 34. Okay. 3 minus 0 3. 1 into 3 1. Okay. 2 minus 0 2. 2 into 5 10, but minus 10. Okay. Now you see minus 44 plus 1, that is equal to minus 43 is going to come. I think some mistake have happened. Minus 2 9 minus 8 plus 8. Okay. 17 into 2 34 minus 34 it is okay, but 1 3 0 1 3 0. Okay, 3 will come. Minus plus minus. Okay, 3 will come. Okay, here I have to write 3. That mistake I have done. You see, 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, 3 if I write here, 3 will come. That means you see minus 44 plus 3, how much it will be? It will be minus 41. Okay, see, this is normal procedure. This is cofactor procedure. See, cofactor procedure means without minor, cofactor will not come. First you have to find minor, then you have to change the symbol of minor. That is going to be called as cofactor. That means we can say that procedure is a minor cofactor process. Minor cofactor process also we have found, and normal process also we have found. Now we understand that this statement, sum of multiplication of elements and respective cofactors is going to give determinant. Okay. Now this statement I want to change rather than delta. You see how I am changing. Same statement I am changing. How I am changing? You see, simply rather than delta I am writing 0. Sum of multiplication of elements and different cofactors. different cofactors. See, I have written different cofactors, but that is also specifically how to take. See, now not delta, 0 will come when if you multiply element and different cofactor. How, what is the different cofactor? You see, I have taken A11, but rather than 1 1 multiplied, see 2 1 plus. I have taken A12. If you take one row, completely one row you have to take, and this also you have to follow second row. First row element, second row cofactor I am taking. You see, first row element, second row cofactor, A22. First row element, second row cofactor, A13, sorry, 23. Now you see 1 1 is there but 2 1 is there, 1 2 is there but 2 2 is there, 1 3 is there but 2 2 is there. That means these cofactors are belongs to second row. Elements belongs to first row. Then the value of this is going to become 0. Or even column wise also you can take. If you take element of second row but cofactor of third row, multiply and add, then 0 will come. Okay, this we will take one verification. See whether this comes 0 or not, we will see. Okay, now you see for verifying this, we want A21, A22, A32. Why? Because the small a1 and all elements directly we are having. Write down A21. A21 is equal to, see second row first column. Okay, now you see second row first column means what will come? Minus will come. Why? Because the minus. Okay. A power minus 1 power 2 plus 1. Minus will come. That is why I have written directly minus. But you don't write. You have to write follow the procedure. Minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1. Like that you have to write. Minus 1 2 power minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 means what? Minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 means 3. 3 is odd figure. That is why minus will come. Okay. Now you see this row, this column, if I close minus 6, 0. Plus 0, minus 0, whatever it may be. That means minus of minus plus 6 will be there. Okay. Now, one cofactor we have received A21. Again you take A22. A22 is equal to this one A22. That means you see A22 means plus only. Okay. Plus only. Okay. Now we have closed this second row, second column. See minus into minus plus 3. Okay. 0. That means again this also 3 will come. That is also positive. Positive. Okay. Now you go for A23. A23. That is equal to 2 3 what? Odd. 2 plus 3 5 odd. That is why you have to put minus. Okay. Okay. Second row, third column, if you close automatically, what will left to? Minus 5. Okay. Minus 8. Minus 13. Minus of minus 13 plus 13. Shall I write directly 13? Minus 13 into minus plus 13. Okay. Now we know all. Let us find now this addition answer. See 0 we have to get. You see A11 is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 into A21 is how much? 6. 6 plus A12. A12 is 2 into and capital A22 3. Okay. Plus A13 is 0. Okay. Into, see 0 is something is 0, but even then we will write 13. Okay. Now you see minus 6 plus 6 plus 0, that is equal to 0. Okay. We can say that we have verified this. Okay. See, if you add element and respective cofactor, then you get the determinant, sum. Adding means sum. Sum of element and respective cofactors gives the determinant. But the same sum of element and different cofactor gives 0. See, if you take cofactor from second row, then you have to take all cofactor from second row. Element from first row, cofactor from second row. Or element from first row, cofactor from third row. All cofactors you have to take. Minus 1 into cofactor of 4. 0 into cofactor of 5. 0 into cofactor of 3. Minus 3. Like that you have to take. This applicable for even column also. Okay. This is the process concept you have to understand. You have to understand. Okay, now let us go for directly exercise 4.4. First question we will do. First question, two parts are there. We have forgotten one more thing. See, until now have studied these cofactors and minus for 3 by 3. What about 2 by 2? Let us study 2 by 2 also, then we go for exercise. In exercise, only one question we will do in this class. Okay? Okay, now this only I am making see 2 by 2. Okay. And I will make only one minus for easy understanding. Okay, now see this is determinant, but this is a 2 by 2 determinant or second row determinant. 2 by 2 we don't call. In matrix 2 by 2 we will call. In determinant what we call normally second order, second determinants means what? 2 by 2. Third means 3 by 3. Why? Because here n order is n, like that only. Okay. Okay, now you see this is determinant. Same concept we will apply for this second order also. Okay, now you see here M11 will be there, M12 will be there, M13 will be there, sorry, M21 will be there, M22 will be there. That's all. Here only 4 minors will be there. Why? Because 4 elements. In 3 by 3, 9 elements, 9 minors were there. Okay. Now see, M11 means what? 1. You have to close first row, first column. If you close, what will be? 1 only. That's all. You need not do anything. Why? Because see here, 4 elements are not there to make AD minus BC. Only 1 element left means that is the minor. That's all. Okay. What about M12? 2 row and column. If you close, automatically minus 3 will be there. That means M12 is equal to minus 3. Minor of 2 or minor M12 is equal to minus 3. Okay. M21 minus 3. Minus 3 if you close, then 2. M22 1. If you close 1, then 1. You understand now? For 2 by 2 minors are very easy. See cofactor, same cofactor also you have to take. Minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2 or 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2. Same. You see how I am writing? A11 is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 M11. That is equal to, see minus 1 square means plus only. But M11 what? 1. You write 1, that's all. For this question I am talking. Okay, that means A11 is equal to 1. Okay. What about A22? Not A22. A21 I am writing. This one. A21 is minus has to come. But M21, 2 is there. That means minus 2. Now what you are understanding, you see here plus minus, minus plus. But when it goes to 3 by 3, plus minus plus, minus plus, minus plus minus plus, like that it will come. Okay, alternate. But here alternate is not going to come. Plus minus, again minus is going to come. Then how to compare this? See, in 3 by 3 also, starting and ending both are positive. Here also you have to take starting and ending both are positive. Remaining negative, that's all. Like that you can keep in your mind. Or else you can find, say, plus minus, that's all. If minus comes means next plus, if minus comes means next plus. Like that also you can see. Don't see alternate minus has come, again alternate minus alternate plus, like that you should not keep in this thing. Okay, that you keep in your mind. Okay. See, now with 2 by 2 also we came to know how to find minors and cofactors. Let us go 4.4 exercise. Okay, see the first question. Exercise 4.4. Write minors and cofactors. See, minors and cofactors we have to write, but here only 2 by 2 determinant only they have given. Easily we can find minors and cofactors, both you have to find. One by one list out and we will do. Okay. See, 4 minors are there. We know M11 is equal to, see M11 if you close this 2, row wise and column wise, then 3. Okay, directly I am writing. You need not do any calculation and all. Okay, then M12. M12 means first row, second column if you close. First row, second column if you close, automatically what will be there? 0 will be there. M12 will be 0. Okay. Now M21. Second row, first column if you close automatically, then -4 will be there. Okay. Then what about M22? Minor 22. Why? Because minors we are finding, all minors. Then we will find cofactors also. Okay. Now minor M22. See, second row, second column if you close, automatically 2 will be there, then 2 you write. Okay. Now these are the minors. Okay. Now you see here, -4 means -4, like that only you are going to write. You are not going to change the symbol in minor. In cofactor, that is not the case. In cofactor, based on the position, you are going to change the symbol or sign. Okay. Let us do now cofactor. I am finding cofactor. You see, cofactors you have to write, and you write this one. Minus A11 is equal to, you see A11 how I am writing? Actually, see, first one I am writing -1 whole power 1 plus 1 into M11, that is equal to -1 square means plus only. You write first plus, so M11 is what? 3 plus 3. That's all. Okay. Now go for A12. Now you come here. Now I am not writing this entire thing. I know very well 1 plus 2 is 3 odd number. That means minus you have to keep. M12 is what? 0. That means, see, for 0 there is no minus. Then you keep directly 0. That's all. Okay. For 0 there is no minus or plus. 0 means 0. Okay. Now you go for A21. Here also you see 2, 1 will give 2 plus 1 odd. That means minus. And M21. M21 is how much? Minus. Minus of -4 plus 4. Okay. Like this you have to write. Okay. Now let us go for A22. A22. See, -1 power 2 plus 2. 4. Even number. Even number is positive. Okay. Positive, but what about M22? M22 is 2. That means 2. That's all. Even cofactors also 3, 0, 4, 2 will come. 3, 0, -4, 2. -4 is going to change as +4 in cofactors. Okay. This is answer for your first question. Okay. Minors and cofactors. Now what we do? We go for second part of the first question. Okay. You see the second part. Second part of the first question. First question, second part. This also we have to find minors and cofactors. Okay. So let us find one by one. Let us find one by one. M11. M11 is equal to D. Is it okay? Well, because first row, first column, if you close, automatically D will be there. Okay. Then M12 will be B. First row, second column, if I close, automatically B will be there. Okay. Then I am writing M21. Second row, first column, if I close, C will be there. Okay. C. Then I will write M22. Second row, second column, if I close, A will be there. Is it okay? Okay. Now we have written all minors. Let us write cofactors also. Cofactors A12 is equal to, you see, sorry, A11. First you write A11. A11. See, A11 means positive only it has to come. Okay, positive. Directly I am writing. Why? Because M11 D plus D. Okay. Then you write A12. But negative M12 is B. Okay. Then I write M21. Negative, but 21 is C, minus C. Then I will write A22. Positive M22 A. Okay. Now you see here cofactors, the sign has been changed or symbol has been changed, but minors there is no change of symbol. Whatever the elements are there, same elements are going to come. See, if it is in 3 by 3, AD minus BC, if comes negative, then negative will come in minor also. In minor, 3 by 3, possibility of minus will come. See here, even 2 by 2 minus is there, means same minus is going to come in minor. That means there is no sign change in minor, but for cofactor we have to change the sign, symbol. This is the difference between sign cofactor and minor. That's all. Okay. Now what we do, we close this class here. We have done one question, first question. Second question onwards, let us continue in next class. Okay. Thank you very much.